See that right? Here we are. That right? You many
Producer, you're busy. Producer, you're busy.
Yes, sir.
Producer is round now.
Me say me producer or me come sir. International producer.
Oh, guy.
Producer, guy.
Too much.
Onu nso onyunu ko nso hia mfa nipa. This is onyunu.
Na chairman won to me send there court.
No koi.
But you so fi pie court one ya sa che no. Na no denga.
Set me who post be say. Judge ni ka kire ne say.
Yes.
So ka kire so mra court 9. I was say 8:30 obesa ni mpa court. Oh yeah. I say court to ka kire so mra 9. 8:30 so obesa ni mpa.
Okay, ma'am, let me read this story a little bit. I see the High Court has withdrawn a bench warrant it issued earlier for the arrest of the Ashanti Regional Chairman of the New Patriotic Party, Bernard Enchibuesiako, popularly known as Chairman Wontumi. The decision followed his appearance in court shortly after the warrant was issued. Oh, okay. Now, I'm going to come away yenya lawyer Ohene John Sabri or Manaswa Yedeno ebedi nkomo na yebisa se adentina Sabri ameno kase court na asade abase yenkochi Wontumi. I don't know why. Lawyer Ohene John me paso yema kwa baba SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country in the way.
Mejoso.
Me pato na apom to saying. God is good for God and country. We are very, very well.
Okay.
Now, and I want to make a PM court. Now, then I see your court. Or bet me a bon and some no tofa kakra dia mai.
Okay, so and then now yeah, court because court Attorney General for one family they have done disclosure. Now one serving here. Na ekanene ye kokota na yakwa case management enti eneno ye na ye ni case management ai be yenchi no na nke be kokota no 10 o'clock enti chairman on black court but court no
ye na ye tie SOMPA
10 o'clock okwa do one temper before 8:30 cry no we do court or cry that but then I'm no the case never or court premises so but not only at that court na ankasa court Denver and do not train our court premises so and the senior counselor only the case and the appeal could be drew on that's around the few minutes to 10 o'clock or no area court no inside or inside na there's a certain general about around 9 o'clock. I'm a free case, and lawyers no any courtroom. Now, want to use so walk off premises, so but not only courtroom, court no fine, the only courtroom or the any, and that is why I'm a court and the Omoya Tanya, Omo issue bench warrant. I am far and copen and I am, and fano, embra. Court. The no one lawyer could be a buyer or name which a court inside and all the two courts of registered and in and for so be by a free lawyers and then through to the Gondi of our court one temper and the now say the science fair court no court no the traffic. Now you do court to the you see the court no shena all the things eventual and now issue against AHM Wontumi no enti Korea and the HM court to next year society here in the court no so everything day eventual and you you better go back to court on the 4th of November and then you see court
because na ye nwanwa kakra say obi a ene wako court na afide information ene nam wiem e kire say obi a wako court de den na yesama no eye bench warrant say ye mfa nkonko kire no but ye da say eye nkiremu no a wo de aman no eto asumu ye pa but apart from that no case na nkasa no Oman can be young for one.
Oh, say, Obona Tony General for no, Omonia and file a disclosure to say the court to the show, say, Omon filing. And Dina, there will say again, the couple 24 for the day, reading the same drew on. Now, Omar file, I bet we are not getting a
now, your share chairman won't to me. No way, dear.
Oh, no way, pa.
Oh, you're very, very, very confident. Charges are with bono no. We share on one casane, ne yobian and tibia or the back court war. Now there was nothing showing that Akwa say I said or yeah more Bobby sir.
Kind of venture and the energy. I say Obibia was sorry anopa. Now what prepare could do court premises. I will change the lawyer, the banana more rapport through. Now, tell me, I train you to us. Now, the Albertian say, yes, the court to so I'm back court, and you issue bench warrant. We are my cry, the book, and I tell you, one crack. So, here no edit through case now, Casade, the Maka and Brigadier Tremor. Ghana, the Mbra, a year your constitution, no, at the code 1926, a so clear, say. Ye the charge ball body be a prosecution no and there was also approval for guilt beyond reasonable doubt. You as an accused person no and then when I also prove what check to say the given and I tell me before a prosecution and also prove the case. The prove the case in the VAR. Now the court will not just say what prove the case in a friend of Bama for case against you are. And I have thrown down so one bit at the idea anything you go out for. And I'm case now, I tell you, I built against you. It is that stage way there. The issue of the case, I'm Casadia, squarely within the Attorney General, and I was the charges or their court and the evidence or the caucus supporting the idea at this stage. Or not your mount, there will be any song of Pugushe. But then let the NAC and our cardiac initially, not a hard a hammer, but your copper to Chawa, if you want to just say, BBR to turn up. It's very fine, it's very okay.
All right, but yes, here, not name on one crown.
Oh, the merely who says a combat say, put the amount bail, condition now, the amount bail, and it's a BBR. He also be back court. Now you decade obeba. It is a combated building one court. Now if you are one ya in Nasobia, a more a drew and condom contract or issue bench warrant. Say Uncle Embra. But on only the idea, also a cocoa to our work court premises. And unfortunately, in that incident, it's here. But under normal circumstances, all your accused person, not kids, a court. Now I wouldn't say then there was a court near 3 cases and I would be caught the normal thing and it's the prosecution pushes the court to issue bench warrant. They are court to issue bench warrant. Then Kofa Embra so that Obe appear before the court for prosecution.
Mikaisa Brebi Minya